Word problem time. Okay, it says a group of six friends wins a small raffle and split equally among them, each receives less than $8.50. How much was the total amount of the prize? All right, so in this case, the raffle and the prize are like the same thing. So a group of six friends wins, I'm just going to call this P. Okay? So now if you look at this, what this really says is P split equally. Well, if you split something equally, you are dividing. That's what splitting equally means. You are dividing by a certain amount. Well, what are we dividing by? Among them, well, it says six friends. So among them, that would be six. Now we keep going. Each receives less than. That's my boyfriend. That looks like an L. And then we've got $8.50. So basically, we've written our inequality. We just need to smush it all together. So we have P, we have divided by, we have 6, we have less than, and we have $8.50. Okay, now that would be fine. I personally, and most math teachers will say this, we prefer that you stop using this division sign and start using the division bar. So I'm just going to rewrite it so it looks a little bit more algebraic. Okay, now we're ready to rock and roll. So I'm going to draw my line here, my river, and I ask myself, all right, I want to get P by itself, which means I need to get rid of this division. How do we get rid of division? What's the opposite? We multiply. So we multiply by 6 on this side and we multiply by 6 on this side. Now I write it this way so you can see very clearly that this is how these cancel out. One's on the top and one's on the bottom, and I've got P. Luckily, this time we're not multiplying or dividing by a negative, so our symbol stays my boyfriend. It's still less than. All right, and now we just got to do the work, right? We got to do the multiplication. So 0 times 6 is 0. 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3. 8 times 6 is 48 plus 3 is 51. And we've got 2 digits behind the decimal. So I'm going to get P is less than 51 bucks. So I can put a 51 here. I have an open dot. I don't know if you just heard my doorbell, but that was the mailman. Anyway, we're going to head down this direction because this is my boyfriend. Oh, now my dog's barking. Oh, well. It's pointing in this direction because we're going less than. We go to the left and our symbol matches the arrow here like that. Okay, now we do our check. So I'm going to rewrite my inequality. P divided by 6 is less than $8.50. And I'm going to choose a number not at the dot but out of my arrow. And you know me, I'm going to choose 0 because 0 is easy. All right, 0 divided by 6 is less than $8.50. So this is basically saying, okay, would it work if the prize was 0? Well, yeah, if you split 0 equally among 6 people, each person's getting 0, which is definitely less than $8.50. So chances are I'm right.